Okay, so we have seen that three different type of operators. Now we will go for uh, what we call operator precedence, because we have a number of operator in C. Now, if all the operators come in a single line, then which will be executed first? That you have to decide. Right? So, among various operators, initially, if I write the precedence, it should be something like first the unary operator, then it will come for the arithmetic operator, then it will come for the bitwise operator, then logical operator, then conditional operator, and then at the end we will have assignment operator. Okay. Now, among these different category, we have number of operators present, right? I mean, arithmetic operator mean it can be plus, minus, multiplication, and all. So, if you want to, if you want to have a clear idea about, especially in case of arithmetic, bitwise, and logical operators, you will see that in case of arithmetic operator, in case of arithmetic operator, the precedence is something like, always remember, generally we know that division has higher precedence than multiplication. Sometimes you know in mathematics, but in case of computer science, division and multiplication have the same precedence. Okay, so that means I can say that multiplication precedence is equal to precedence of division. At the same time, addition has the same precedence with subtraction. But if you want to compare between these two cases, if I consider this is one case, this is another case, because I'm saying as a single case because ultimately their precedence is same, then obviously among these two, this multiplication have the higher precedence. So you can say that as a whole, that multiplication will be equal to division, which has to be higher precedence than sub addition or equal to subtraction. This was about the bitwise operator. This is about the arithmetic operator. Now, what is in case of bitwise operator? Bitwise operator means basically bitwise and bitwise or, right, and bitwise or. So, um, in case of bitwise operator, always remember that AND has highest precedence, then XOR, sorry, then XOR, and then OR. So if you have two different operation, I mean, if you have in a single line, if there are two operation and OR operation, and OR bitwise operation, the AND bitwise will be executed first, and result of that will be bitwise ORed with the other operand. So we will see some example one by one. We will take one or two examples for each and every case, and then we will discuss. I hope it will be much more clear to you. Now similar thing for in case of logical operator, but it is just for logical. Only difference is that. Now in case of logical operator, you can say it should be logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. But you know, first of all, logical XOR is not possible. Logical OR is there, logical AND is there, and logical NOT can be also there, but which is under unary operator. So that's why NOT is not coming in case of bitwise as well as logical operator as the precedence part, because in both cases the unary operator actually NOT. So this is about the NOT. Okay. Anyway, so in case of logical operator, again same thing, that AND has to be the higher precedence than OR. So like this. And the conditional operator you all know, and then assignment operator means some examples. Some examples is something like plus equal to, or maybe minus equal to, or maybe division equal to, something like this. Okay. So this is all about the precedence of thing. That means now uh, if I take an example for each and every cases, first of all, arithmetic example is not required because you are habituated for several arithmetic operations already before computer science, before you read computer science. But in case of at least logical operator that generally come in exam, if I discuss that, if I have, say for example, uh, something like a equal to, say 5, b equal to 0, and c equal to 2, and if ask you that c d equal to a and b or c, this is possible, a valid statement in C, right? Now here this is the AND operation and this is OR operation. Now since these two different operation is present and both are logical, so what, when computer execute this statement, computer will find that in this particular statement we have two different operators and they have different precedence. I mean they are under the same category but different precedence. So, and computer know that AND has higher precedence than OR. So what computer will do? Computer will basically do this one first, and the result of this will be ORed with C. So an AND A and B, AND means what? You see one input is 0. That means definitely output of this AND operation will be 0 because it is logical AND. It's not bitwise AND. So 0 will be ANDed with C. But problem is that is not problem actually, but here the interesting point is that C, this OR operation say that either of the inputs, to be the output as 1, either of the input should be 1. If any one of the input is 1, then output will be 1. Although this result is 0, since C equal to 2, that means a non-zero value, that means as a whole the output of this OR will be equal to 1. So if you print D, you will get output 1. Now this is a simple example for OR operation, and same thing can be applied for bitwise case also. So I hope I should not repeat this one for a bitwise operation also, because the strategy is same for bitwise. Only difference is that calculation of the result of the AND operation. In this case it was pretty easy to calculate because I can easily I can assume any non-zero value as 1 and 0 as only 0. Only the 0 will be considered as 0, any other non-zero value will be 1. So that's why it is pretty easy to calculate. Now instead of OR and OR, if it was bitwise and bitwise OR, it was totally different. It will be totally different. For example, if I say that let's take an example for bitwise case. Say same thing, I'm writing a equal to 5, but here I'm not writing b equal to 0 just to show you bitwise operation. That's why I say bitwise is taken as say 1 and c is equal to 2, as simple as that. And similarly here I'm writing d equal to a and b or c. So since only one input is here, that's why it is bitwise and it is bitwise OR, and computer know that bitwise AND is greater than bitwise OR. If I forget about the OR for a moment. So what will happen? Obviously this part will be executed first, but here the calculation will not be so easy, right? Because you have to calculate it first. If I consider a 4-digit number, I mean all this represent in a 4-digit, it 5 will be 0 1 0 1, right? This is A. Similarly, B will be equal to, it's 1, that means 0 0 0 1. Now if you do a logical and bit by bit, this 1 1 means 1, all other cases will be 0 because the part of B is 0. Although I have 1 in this part side of A, but since the opposite one is 0, that's why output will be 0. That means result become this 1. That means this is actually 1 in decimal, right? So 1 or C. Now this will execute. So now that means this one will be now ORed with C. C is 2. That means 2 means 1 0. So another part will be 0 obviously. And if I do logical OR in between these two cases, ultimately I will get 1 0 OR is 1, 0 1 OR, or 0 1 OR is 1. But in these two cases it is 0 because both are 0. So as a result, this one in decimal you will find is 3. So that means after ORing this one, it will produce result 3. So if you print D, it will show you result 3. So that is the only difference. But you see the strategy of calculating this, and I mean strategy of understanding which how the result will be evaluated is same. So in this way, if a question come and if there is a line having multiple operations, multiple operators, then first you have to decide whether they are under same category or not. If they are in the same category or maybe different category, then you have to decide what is the precedence, and accordingly you have to execute and you have to find the result.